Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're ready. Place the watch face down on a soft cloth and grab a spring bar tool or small flat driver. Identify the band style so you know whether it uses a quick-release tab, traditional spring bar, or a proprietary lug. Once identified, press the release button or compress the spring pin inward and pull the band away at a slight 45-degree angle. This reduces stress on the lug. If it doesn't move, don't force it. Recheck the release mechanism and reposition the tool. Now focus on the middle steps. Inspect the lug channels for dirt or corrosion and clean with a soft brush and an isopropyl wipe so seating is reliable. If the spring bars are bent or worn, replace them with the correct length and gauge. Mismatch causes failure. To install, compress the bar with your tool, seat one end into its recess, align the opposite end with the hole, then slowly release tension. Make sure both shoulders click into place and the band sits flush against the case. Finish by fully seating the band and testing security. Tug gently in several directions and rotate the band as you would during daily use. Make fit adjustments now, swap links for metal bracelets, use different adjustment holes, or trim a replaceable strap tail. Always reuse the correct connectors. If anything feels loose, remove the band and reseat the spring bar, paying attention to orientation and hole alignment. If it still slips, install a new properly sized spring bar. One troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.